Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change vertical axis levels of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change vertical axis level of chart in this document. Firstly, create a chart in this document. Then click the chart and click vertical axis. Then click right button on our mouse and go to the format axis. Then we can see here opened some tabs. We select the labels. Then select label high or low, otherwise none. Now I select the low level. You can use the number, any format, general, currency, accounting, dates, etc. Otherwise you can apply the tick marks. Click the inside, otherwise click the outside. You can use minor type, inside or outside or cross. Now we can see here we change vertical axis level of chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.